Hey Zach, my name is Anthony. I spoke with Brianna earlier. She provided me with your information and said you'd be the best person to send this video over to. It's just a free video with some tips on how you guys can improve your online presence and generate some more traffic for your specific services. That way you can increase your close rate with clients online as another marketing tool. But I'll start off here just by providing some Google search statistics. It won't take long. This is only a 5 to 6 minute video. But of all searches that are performed online, 86.8% are performed through Google, and 5.6 billion searches are performed each and every day on Google. So I provide those stats just to show how important it is to be listed on Google and have your site ranking on Google, because that's where customers are going for services and the things they need. But there's three things you can do to help with that Google ranking and listing. And the first thing is the content on your website. The second is the citations, and the third is the backlinks that are coming into your website. So on your first page here, it looks like the web layout's extremely nice, and you have some good content. But Google really looks for 1,000 to 1,500 words on this front page. It just shows that you provide the services and the keywords that they're looking for when they crawl your website. So the first tip would be increasing the amount of content that you have and making sure that content has the specific keywords for the services that you provide, like water damage restoration, mold remediation, and just more information on those services, the carpet cleaning and all that stuff. That's the first tip. The second one, we're going to hop over to Google. In this example, I'm using carpet cleaning Nashville because it has pretty high search volume. And it has a little bit of competition, but not a whole lot in regards to directing traffic away from your competitors. So when that types in, you obviously have your ads that appear first. You can pay to have those ads pop up, but only less than 10% of people actually click on those paid ads. The majority of them go to the organic search results, 94%. What I mean by organic search results is your sites that populate in your Google map pack here, and then your URLs that populate down here. Now it's important to come in this map pack because per the statistics, 44 to 61% of people click on the top 3 businesses in that map pack, and that's all it shows is 3. You can click more, but most people just stop here and go to the website or call the number when they see the service that they Google. So the way you can get up into this map pack is that you can add more citations to directories for your business. So you would add your business name, the phone number, and the address to online directories that are local, or directories that, Facebook would be considered a directory. You can put them on YouTube, Twitter, Yellow Pages that's online, Yelp. All that stuff would be considered directories, and Google would give you more privilege and rankings coming up into this map pack. Backlinking also plays a factor too, so we'll talk about that now. So with the backlinking, backlinking determines the authority that your website has when it comes to being searched on Google. And you can get that authority by having other quality pages linking to your website, providing your link on their page that people can click on that directs you to your site. And the reason it's important to be in this position, per the statistics, 91% of people stay on the first page, and 75% of the clicks from the searches are for the top 3 results. So this is really where you want to be, because that's where the majority of the clicks and the traffic is going. So it looks like we don't populate, your business isn't popping up here, and I don't see it here on the first page either, just with a quick look. But I use a tool that analyzes websites called Ahrefs. I put your website into it. It shows the number of referring domains you have, the keywords that Google crawls and finds on your page, and it's showing you're getting about 45 people per month to your page for all the keywords that you have. Looks like your domain rating is a little low, and that's probably due to the quality of links that you're getting. If we get that increased, it can help boost you over your competition and get you more of an increase in your organic traffic. If we go into your organic keywords here, we can see that at least you're definitely ranking number 1 for at least your name here. But after that, it drops down to 9, and like I said, per the statistics, the top 3 get the majority of the searches, and then the 4, 5, 6, 7 spot get a little bit, but not a whole lot. So being in the 9 position isn't working too well in regards to generating traffic. It's like you're getting 2 people a month per the 70 people that are searching being in that position. So if you're in the first position, that would go up drastically. So the mold remediation would be a target that you could go for. There's 70 right there for that keyword, 50, 40. The carpet cleaning is also extremely high. There's 40 there. There's a 300 search volume there for carpet cleaning in Nashville. Rug cleaning 90. Mold removal 30. Carpet cleaning 150, 100. So as you can see, there's hundreds of searches for the services that you provide. You just got to be high enough on the Google ranking that you're going to be attracting those customers and getting those clicks. And we go over to the number one person in regards to the keyword for carpet cleaning, and that's zero REZ Nashville. As you can see here, their DR is much higher than yours. They have referring domains in those regards. They have some more organic keywords, and their traffic is higher, so they're getting a lot more volume to their web page. The DR is higher. They have more referring domains, more content, which gives them more organic keywords, and that's what drives that 159 searches per month for their business. And if you were to pay Google Ads or ads for that kind of traffic, it'd be $1.4 thousand a month. But if we go into their organic keywords here, you can see they're in the number 2 spot for carpet cleaning. Number 2 spot with 150 searches here. 100, number 2 spot, number 2, 2, 2, 2. So they're in their spot and getting those services directed their way. Now I don't think they may not provide mold remediation or anything like that. No, it doesn't look like they do. But that's something that you could get real quickly and start driving traffic to your site, and then you can also start working on the carpet cleaning to get more of those clients and customers to your website. Only thing we really need to do is provide more quality backlinks to your website to get your DR up and be more authoritative than this website, and then you'll start ranking higher on the Google results, which will start directing the traffic to your website instead of theirs. But that's pretty much all I have. Take the tips and take the free tips and implement them, and hopefully it'll start driving you some more traffic to your sites. And if you guys have any questions, and feel free to reach out to me, and I can, if you want to work with me, and we can help get you those authoritative backlinks to get your domain rating up and get you some more organic traffic to your website so you can have some more client conversions online. But my phone number and email will be at the bottom of the email I send over with this video. So just give me a call if you have any questions, and I appreciate your time.